Hello, darling, I'm in disguise. Do you recognize me? It's me. So I purchased this wig from Amazon. I told you in my last video, I don't know what I'm doing with my hair right now. Thought about cutting it off. Again, doing my 4th time cutting it off. So taking my time. See this wig on? Looking cute. Or so I think. But today we are headed out to New York because we are going to a baking class. We're going to be making macarons today. I'm so excited. So I'm going to bring you guys with me. Let me show you my outfit. 1 minute. Okay, so I have on this graphic tee that I got from like Walmart so many years ago. And then I have on these like tiger striped pants. They're not jeans, they're like stretchy pants. This kind of outfit is from my like punk rock, glam rock era. I threw on this headband. And that is the look. Hold on, I'm gonna put this down. Hopefully you can see it. All right, let's get out of here. I meant to tell you I meant to tell you last week we went to the Joe concert. I'm going to throw in some footage here or in a minute, however this plays. It was phenomenal. I personally think Joe is like the greatest R&B male singer of this generation, but that's just me. Toni Braxton, the greatest female singer R&B of this generation, my absolute fave. But here's the footage. Part of my hair to lay down, but it's not working. Like it came with this part like perfectly curled and this part was like flipped, but I don't know how to do hair, so there was that. Right, perfume. It's like okay, where's the thing? Gotta go. All right, we are like come behind, out of here. Here's the perfume. It smells so pretty. Boom. Look at this hair. What? Gotta go. Go. All right, made it to the city. We are here 30 minutes early, so it gives us a little bit of time to grab something to eat. So we're walking around. I did see 7th Street Burger. I think I want to try that, but before finalizing on that, I just want to see what else is available. Ooh, Stromboli pizza. Oh, dumplings. Oh, the Brooklyn dumpling shop. Yeah, it tastes very like fast food. Very fast food taste. I'm done with that. I'll get something else. That is something. No, my to their credit, it's called Brooklyn dumplings. So I'm ready to go.
That's your experience? Your mom?
First. Just mix it first. Because it's going to start setting. You got to mix it.
Okay. So, go make it.
That's why I live there.
Cheers. So is that the purpose of this thing? Just to do stuff like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And it tells in if you're doing dough or whatever in a bowl, the purpose of the ground is so you can dig up in a bowl and you just take your batter or whatever out.
Okay.
It has many uses.
garden. We are going to the garden. Our macarons are cooling. And then back here, it looks like bread is being made. Croissant dough. Croissant dough. Oh, yeah. All right, and so we're in the garden. Would you like to see?
Mm-hmm.
It's very nice. I designed it all. You know, so welcome to welcome to my crib.
Yeah.
Welcome to my crib. Here's my girl, Alana. We're chilling. Making macarons, you know, just hanging out.
Yeah.
We need a script. Cut. We just finished at our baking class making macarons. I forgot which one is which. Macaron, because she was like macarons. Macarons. All right, because I know one has coconut. All right, well, we just got finished there. Here's our goodie bag with all of the things that we baked. We already ate some of them, but now we're going across the street to 7th Street Burgers. Is that what it's called? Because remember earlier we had the dumplings from Brooklyn Dumplings. So, well, we didn't eat dumplings, but alright, so let's go. How bicycle is? It's already aligned. Why? No, I'm not gonna tell you. Here we go. Oh no. We usually don't eat gluten anything in the house. We're gluten free. But when we come out, sometimes we'll indulge. And this is pretty good. It has pickles, cheese, onion. It looks a little crazy, but it tastes good. Okay, you want some?